6 on Thursday. This video is dropping at 5 on Friday, and it is freezing cold and pitch black this morning. And we need to focus this morning on taking the Trabant for an MOT. It's first MOT in the UK, it has never been registered here, and I don't have any history from when it was in Germany either, so I don't know when it was last on the road. Now, I've been told this was dry stored in Germany for around 25 years. It's been in the UK since, for we think 2 years, and the previous owner had never got round to getting it on the road. He just about got it running, and had bought a few spares that may need fixing, but it's going to be a real kind of challenge to see what needs doing, will it pass the UK MOT, and if it won't, what we need to do to get it fixed. So MOT is about to start. We've had to create a new profile. This is not registered in the UK. Manufactured and on the roads in Germany on the 1st of September 1989. And this is what we need to see if we pass and fail along. So that should be your lights. Should be.
Yep. Indicators aren't working.
Unless it's completely dead again.
Battery is dead. Yeah, battery's dead.
2 hours later.
Can't see the mirror.
Or shall I let you know?
Yeah. Seems work now.
And your indicators?
Right, ignition on.
Okay, yeah, they're on. The lights are on. Yeah.
Yeah, indicating.
Yeah. Let me just check the back. Yeah, that's fine. Yeah, that's fine. Yeah. But they are working. This is a relay. Yep. Did I do it again? No. I believe there's another lever for them, and they're hand operated.
You sure?
Yes.
Well,
unless they changed it on this model.
That says washers.
But I think that's. Oh, you meant to push it then.
That's
I
not
guess.
working.
Okay, so that doesn't work.
Wiper blade. Split. Got the chip belts while we're here. Security of headlamps, condition of strut towers, batteries obviously loose.
Let's do a battery clamp.
Yeah.
Just look at that leaf spring. It's crazy.
Yeah. So it's split and it's got a slight bulge to it, probably due to the age of the tyre, or maybe catching it because it was slightly deflated. Just need to replace that one. This one looks fairly new. These tyres are perishing, cracking on the inside edge, so especially this one as well, quite nicely around here. So as a safety precaution, we'll probably change them out when they change the front one.
So this is normally where we'd test the emissions on an MOT, but as the Trabant is 2-stroke, it's exempt. So how have we done?
Seats and belts, fine. No headlamp hazards, they work. View to front, wipers and washers, they don't work. Brakes don't work, so we'll have to get it on that as well. Steering wheel and column, that's fine. Jaws, mirrors and horn, they work. In indicators, they're sort of, they flash fast. So,
yep.
Wheels and tyres, obviously near side front has a bulge. and 2 rear Perishim shocks. Well, it doesn't have any.
It has a spring, a single spring.
And then 2 rear springs. Fine. Don't condition the body. It is actually alright, to be fair. Structure's fine. It's all under sealed. There's no rust showing. There's only a bit of surface underneath the bonnet, but minor. Braking systems. Okay, here we have some fun. Efficiency poor. Front and rear. Exhaust systems and fuel system, that's fine. Once we sort all these bits out, she should be road legal.
So the Trabant is back in the garage. I've had to push it back in because it refused to start when we got back from the MOT. But it's in, and we've got that list of MOT failures which we need to go through. But pretty impressed actually that it passed on a lot of them. As I said, I can't reinforce the point more enough. It's been dry stored in Germany for around 25 years. It's been in the UK for around 2 years, we think. And the previous owner had never got around to getting it on the road. It was carbs, which we're gonna have a look at as well. But we've got that list that we can go through now and put an action plan together, and we're already planning to get that work sorted next week. So that'll be the brakes, the wipers, some new tyres, and then we can work on getting it running as well, so that when it goes for its MOT, it's ready to go on the road as well, and we can get it registered. So stay tuned, follow us on Instagram at Classic Garage, subscribe on YouTube, and you'll be the first to know when a new video comes out next Friday at 5. Thank you.